Okay, hello, good afternoon. Today I would like to mix about video and then how to build or how to grow the student to make about the interested in the library. Okay, let's go to the library.
In this night of starry sky, my baby told me with a sigh, saying words that came across as a doubt. I reassured that every day my love is strong and gently placed in your heart. Is shown I can't live without. Every mountain, every sea can never stray a bird in me, no matter the state of space and time. Keep this close and keep this dear, not just today, but every year. You were made to be a focus in my mind. But if you don't want my love, and if you want something more, said if you never wanted my love, let me know.
Okay, good morning guys. Today I would like to discuss about your book that you read before, and I hope you read and know exactly about what is the book, and then why do you read about this book, and then so I think you can understand about this book because this book always related, always relate with your study at your campus. For example, like internet, like the others. I think this is about it's been the subject that you always do, you always learn in your campus. Okay, start from Dandy. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
I would like to discuss about you, about your book that you finished to read about that. And so, what is the title about that book?
Alright, its title is Linux Basic Using. It's precisely Red Hat Linux. This book, its writer is Anjit Shahputra, and the
Why do you write about that book?
this Linux is especially in Red Hat Linux. It's useful for cloud computing. It's
Okay.
useful for the enterprise, and anyway, I would like to get a focus on data science, and it's awfully useful for data science. Firstly, I would like to explain what Linux is. The basic thing, Linux is the free operating system.
Open source.
Yes, it's absolutely open
It is
source.
mean everyone always get about that, without paying about that. Okay.
And then Linux made by Linus Torvalds. He was a student of Helsinki University in Finland. So I think he got it as a side job, as a hobby, and that's so interesting about him. And then its books contained how to install Linux. We could install Linux by booting our software and hardware, and then this book contained the basic syntax for Linux, like for navigation file, CD, like ls, like paging, and
Do you always use Linux for your operate?
just for I just for try to use this daily music. But I don't use Red Hat Linux. I just use Manjaro Linux. It's different distro of Linux. So actually, Manjaro Linux is based on Arch Linux. It's the other Linux. So and Linux is made by Unix. So the author of Linux is Torvald. Torvald used Linux operating system based on Unix to create Linux. So that's it.
Jovan, do you always use about Linux for your daily activities, especially about your operating your computer? No?
Just use Windows.
Use Windows.
Yes.
Is there differences between Linux and Windows?
Oh yes, of course.
What are
Because
differences for that?
Linux is so simple operating system, and it's not suitable for my daily activities because I don't like Linux.
I don't like Linux.
But if for coding or just learning a new operating system,
Okay.
I like Linux.
And so, when you're operating about your anything in your laptop, you always use about Windows because Windows is so simple.
Yeah. And it's usually I use from childhood.
Okay, so what book do you always read about that?
I read about application web database with Ring Beamer and PHP MySQL. I read this book because I like PHP MySQL and I like coding and I like design for website and I like database and it and help me if I got test from the lecture and it's so helpful for me.
Especially if you do a content project at your teacher at your lecture, you always have the solution of that. So I think when you studied at your senior high school, I think you think about general school, not it's been vocation school. And so why do you interested to study about that?
Because I like IT and I like coding and I like language of code for computer inside like big binary code and I like Python. And I need to know how they operate it because it's so fun.
It's so far. Okay, it's okay. How about you, Jenny? What book do you read?
About administrasi jaringan komputer.
Okay, why do you read about that?
Because I am interested in reading in books.
Okay, and so this is about related with your subject when you study at campus.
Because this book covers various topics related to the design, management, and maintenance of computer network.
Okay, and so I think information management and the other, I think it is so related with your subject, yeah, maybe. So I hope maybe not only this book that you can read, but also another book that it is related with your subject you can read. Because literacy, I think today must be up. I think so. You must read book much, you know, because I think it's so different, yeah. If we read about this book in library, but when you read this book online by the computer, this is about different vibe, kan? Different vibe, yeah. So I hope maybe all of you can go to the library, you're just looking for what a new book, and so you can find about something. Okay, good morning, girls. How are you today? Fine. Okay, I think you always go to the. Do you always go to the library? Sometimes. Okay, I think at library you can find about anything in this book, especially if you need about something that related with your subject in your campus, especially for example your lecturers give about the task, you can find about that library. Okay. Now, how are you today? Fine?
I'm fine.
Okay. You read about this book. What is the title about this book?
I read the book is Introduction to Programming Literature.
Okay. Who is the author? Who is the author of that book? And then so, do you have many reasons? Do you have many reasons why do you read about this book?
Because I chose this book because I want to understanding the basic of the programming used Python. It's really is simple way. So it's easy to grow, especially for beginners like me. I think it's a good starting point to learn coding step basically.
How about Hamida? How are you? Fine? How about your book? Do you read about that?
I read a book about person-made computer system
Why do you read about that book?
because this book is mainly learn about computer in Mathematica to give me a foundation of understanding how computer works from the inside and outside. It breaks down the complex world of computing into understandable pieces for me.
And so you always read about this book when you have a task with your teacher.
Yes.
Okay. How are you today? What book do you read about that?
I read database.
Okay. Why do you read about database?
I chose this book because there is a course on this subject in the second semester. Okay.
And then do you like about the subject of database? Because?
Because subject in the second semester.
Oh, the second semester. How about this? And what book do you read about that?
I read about cyberpunk.
Why do you read about that?
It's because I interest about cybersecurity.
Okay. Why do you like about the cyber security?
Because maybe cybersecurity is fun for me.
It's fun for me. And then
Fun.
fun for what? Fun for what? To protect.
Understand.
Fun to understand and fun to protect about something maybe, yeah. Okay, especially for what? Especially for what? To protect about your data maybe?
My cybersecurity is for when I protect my devices.
My devices in your laptop or in your computer.
Yeah.
And so, it means when you read about that book, do you have a new something?
Something that I know about cybercrime.
Cybercrime?
Yeah, it's very common to see in internet,
Okay.
in media. Cybercrime is like cyberbullying, cyber hacking,
Okay.
or virus attack is a cybercrime.
Okay. Okay, thank you for coming. I hope you always come to library to read about this book. Okay, see you. See you. Okay, Jam. Hello, good morning. Okay, what book do you read?
I read cryptography books.
Okay, cryptographer. Okay, Sabi, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, what book do you read?
I like 5 Steps to Pro the Excel.
Okay, why do you like about that?
The book is so very easy to I read.
Hello, Iba. What book do you read?
I read the book Web Programming Desain Halaman. Desain Web Programming with CSS.
Okay. Okay. Good morning, Axel.
Morning, Mom.
Okay. What book do you read about that?
This is building computer networks.
Okay. You can look at about your book. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Morning, Ricky.
Good morning,
Okay. What book do you read about that?
about 3D modeling animation.
Okay. Why do you like what?
It's tutorial and I want
Okay. You can look at about that. Okay. Thank you. Hello. Good morning, Evan.
Hello, good morning.
What book do you read about that today?
I read SQL and RD database.
Okay, you can look at what that. Okay. Hello, good morning, Rais. Okay, what book do you read about today?
I read Excel database.
Okay, you can look at what this book. Okay, thank you. Okay, hello.
Hello, ma'am.
What book do you read about that today?
I read book hardware.
Hardware. Why do you like about that? Because
Because
so easy.
basic.
So easy to understand. Thank you. Okay, good morning, Surya.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay, what book do you read about that today? Interaction.
Interaction human and computer.
Hello, Gilang.
Hello, ma'am.
What book do you read today?
I read Microsoft Excel for accountant.
Okay, thank you. So, hello Gina. Hello Miss. Okay, what book do you read?
I read a book about jaringan komputer.
Okay, you can look at about that. Okay, thank you. Okay, what book do you read today?
On computer networks and communication.
Okay, you can look at about this book.
Okay, thank you.
Hello Elisa. Okay, what book do you read?
I'm reading computer network.
Okay, thank you. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Okay, what book do you read?
I read a book Microsoft Excel.
Okay, you can look at about this. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Mom.
Okay, what book do you read about today?
I read a book about business in the era digital.
Okay, thank you. Hello. Okay, what book do you read about today?
I read Microsoft Excel for business.
Hello, good morning.
Miss.
What book do you read about today?
I read a book Microsoft Office Word Smart Book.
Okay, thank you. Okay, good morning, Acha.
Good morning, Miss.
What book do you read?
I read a book about Microsoft Excel.
Okay, thank you. Hello, what book do you read?
I read the book about computer technology.
Okay, thank you. Hello, Ani. What book do you read?
I read Pemrograman Basis Data dan Visual Fox Pro 5.
Thank you. Hello.
Hello,
How are you today?
I'm Mike.
Okay, what book do you read?
I read a book about union.
Okay, you can look at it. Look at what this is. Okay, thank you. Okay, what book do you read?
Easy to listen.
Marakit. Hello.
Hello, Miss.
Okay, what book do you read about today?
I read a book for computer accounting.
Thank you. Hello, good afternoon, guys.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. I will discuss about something with you. Maybe you have read about this book. Okay. What
Yes.
book do you read?
Yes, I'm reading the title of the book is Program and Algorithm. This book is writing by the Sakti Kusdo.com, and then he is reading about logical thinking and then algorithm that can be used when we are programming or writing coding.
Cynthia, how are you today?
I'm Tom.
Okay. What book do you read today?
I read the book with PHP and MySQL.
And then who is the author
Of this book, the author is
Gunapit Nugroho. And then this book tell us about what?
This book tell us about how to make coding and database.
Kelas A.
Kuliah, BSI aja.